Inflatable lounger with a stool. So the name of the new item that I got yesterday is not short. I'm gonna read it out for you so I won't make any mistakes. So the name of the device is Inflatable Gaming Sports Camping Lounger Relaxing Chair Seat Sofa Deluxe Lounger Grey. Anyways, let's get the box open. Okay, so I can see that I wasn't wrong. This is the item because I ordered something else. Filters for my osmosis, but this is the, again, Inflatable Gaming Sports Camping Lounger Relaxing Chair Seat Sofa Deluxe Lounger Grey. So this is it. What do we get inside? Oh, I don't know. I have to get something to open it. 1 second. So this item wasn't too expensive. I paid for it around £25. So it would be probably around $30, $35. I'm not really sure about the exact price. I should get a small stool with it as well, but we'll see. I got the small stool as well, so that's fine. The most important part now is I have to get it pumped somehow, and I know that I'm missing my tiny nozzle for stuff like that. We'll see what's the valve on it, but for the time being, cut, because I have to get the pump downstairs. So I had to leave my new lovely studio. I went downstairs to get the pump. I don't have the proper nozzle, but I will try to pump the small stool with it. It has the small valve, but the big chair or lounger has a big valve, so I should have no problem with pumping the big one. So this is how I will show you the details in a second. So let's get it pumped up. Pumping the small grey stool was extremely exciting, so I decided to speed the video up, not to excite you too hard. Having the stool fully pumped, I decided to test how hard it was. During the sophisticated test, I concluded that the stool was not very hard, but rather soft and flabby. Okay, so the first element is more or less ready. Cut to the next scene! So this is the valve that you will find here. So there is an auto valve in it, and of course there is a safety lock for it when you get it pumped, and you take it out when you want to release. The quality of the stuff, well, it is not, let's say, heavy duty quality, but if you treat it well, it should last long. Pumping the main part of this camping lounger set was very exciting as well. It would be even more exciting if I pumped it with my mouth, but I did not want to get overexcited, so I smartly decided to use my electric pump to get the chair pumped. This is how our lounger slash chair looks like when fully ready for action. Well, so as you can see, the lounger is up and running. Before showing you all the details of the set, I decided to test the inflatable chair even more, with me sitting on it. I performed the sitting test for a number of minutes. So you'll have to have a small nozzle like a needle to pump it up, but you can pump it without it, but it will take simply longer. So that's the thing. These are the joints. It is made of plastic, it's not rubber, it's made of plastic. As I said just a couple of minutes ago, it will last long if you treat it right, but if you start to jump on it, well, I don't expect this thing to survive long. But luckily on my second channel I made a video. It's not ready yet, but you will find it somewhere in the links, probably somewhere here. There's an episode of a video of mine where I recorded how to fix small punctures in inflatable stuff like that. Not permanent fix, but a temporary fix that you can do wherever you are, so you might want to watch it. Anyways, this is the second valve for the big part of the set, and more or less that's it. So this is how this chair lounger, or whatever you want to call it, looks like. This is how I sit on it. I will show you the details in 1 second. I'll show you the quality of the device. If we are talking about the is it comfy or not, I'm not really sure whether it's a very comfy position and could you like sit in game here, but it probably depends on you. It is a cheap device, so don't expect too much from it, but for the price that I paid for it, for the garden, well, I think it will do the job. So, for the time being, that's it for today. Remember about watching some other of my videos here, and subscribe by clicking my lovely face here. That's it for today. Bye bye!